My name is Megan Christian, and I'm a member of the European Space Agency Astronaut Reserve and Commercial Exploration Lead at the UK Space Agency. I'm here at the AquaLunar Challenge Bootcamp because we're supporting, as the UK Space Agency, we're supporting this from the UK side, and I'm a judge on both panels, so the Canadian and the UK track. So I'm really excited to be here and see the teams interact with each other. The bootcamp has been really fantastic. I've found it to be a really nice mix of talks and workshops, networking opportunities, and also a tour of the Canadian Space Agency facilities. So I think everybody has really enjoyed that mix and the chance to get to know each other and share ideas. It is a competition, but at the end of the day, we're working towards a common goal. So it's really nice to share those between us. I've enjoyed getting to know all the teams, and I know they are all going to do a fantastic job. So I just want to wish them all the very best as they come to the final stages, and I can't wait to see your designs.